Today, I'm giving you guys a free gift because I promised last week I would have a video on how to solve artist block, but I forgot I had to get Patreon postcards and Patreon reference photos done this week, along with designing this new lesson where I'm going to show you how to get this crackled background with nothing but acrylic paint and water. All of that on top of my personal zoo maintenance. Someone want to explain that? I know it was one of you two. So much better. Everything all nice and clean and back to normal. So, free gift. I am giving all of you here on YouTube access to one of my members only lessons on how to paint these clouds in acrylic. So this is a 1.5 hour lesson. I will have a link where you can go watch this below in the video description. And if all goes well, next week will be the video on solving artist block.